In this video, we'll be discussing not function in Excel, which is kind of like logical functions bad child. So we'll be discussing not function in Excel along with its use with other logical functions. If you want to check out other logical functions in Excel too, please be sure to click on the links above and see if, or, and in function in Excel. So let's dive in.
So what is the not function? Well, not function is a function that returns the opposite of another function, and provided that function returned a boolean value in itself. So that means it will return true if it was false and false if it was true. Just the opposite, and it will only take boolean inputs as its input. It will not accept any other value. You cannot pass or you cannot pass a word in not function. You'll have to pass true or false in it. So let's see how that works. We'll put is equal to sign to tell Excel that this is a function and not data. Write our function itself, that is not. Put our opening braces or press tab. Now in this case we wanted to refer to this cell, which is E13, and press enter. So it was true as it was a boolean value. It returned false. And let's drag this down. We can either double click or click and hold. We see that false became true. There's another way of doing it. It will only take boolean value, so we can write a boolean value inside the not function itself. So we can not of true will be false. So how do we use not with an if statement? Well, we cannot return a user defined value in if. We'll have to make sure that if function returns true or false. And as we covered in our if function video, the default case for if we pass no parameters is 1 and 0. So we'll have to use if in such a way that it returns true or false. So in this case we have a function, we have data which has student marks, student Ayush with 40 marks and Ron with 35. I want to use a if condition that returns true if the marks are greater than equal to 40 and false if they are not. So let's put our if here. If logical test greater than equal to 40, value if true. Now here I want not a string or not a string, we want it to return boolean value. So I'll just write true. And if it's false, I want it to return false. If you have any problems in the if function, I'll link a card to my if function video. Please do be sure to check it out because that's a really important function. So let's press enter. So as we can see, it was 40 and we wanted 40 plus marks greater than equal to 40. It returned a true, and in case of Ron it was false. So now we can apply not in two ways over here. We can either we could have either written the whole function in it, if and followed by it, or we can apply it another way. We can just reference the function which returned true or false in not, and it will return the opposite of it. So it returned false of true and false became true. So what it did, it went to our cell G7, and G7 had an if statement. It evaluated that, saw that it returned true or false, and then just inverts the sign of it.
Thank you for watching this video on not function. If you liked our content, if you liked my energy, please be sure to like, share and comment down below. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Ease It. Thank you for watching and stay safe.